Welcome back, TLE gang. About to do another video, another prank. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna try to go ahead and hopefully I can get my wife. Not too sure if I'll be able to get her, but I'm gonna try my best. So what I plan on doing is I already got everything set in motion. I've been texting her all day, let her know like haven't been feeling too good. My stomach hurt, you know, going through pains. I don't know what it is. Maybe it was something I ate. You know, I can't figure it out. So I already got the stage set in motion. So I'm gonna go ahead and prank her with like blood just coming all out my mouth, all down my shirt, all on the bathroom, you know, see her reaction. Hopefully, you know, yeah, I got a good reaction and a good angle. I don't know. Trying to up our game. Don't know how well that's gonna work out, but hopefully I can go ahead and get her. So stay tuned. Be careful.
Okay. You spit up blood, man?
Yeah.
Shoot. Hold on. Okay. You gonna do it, baby?
Baby, what do I do?
I gotta go. We gotta rush you to the hospital.
What do I do?
Baby, just calm down. He's spitting up blood. He's spitting up blood.
Where?
Baby. Come on. We finna just go to the hospital, baby.
What's wrong?
He's spitting up blood. Is it in your mouth?
What? What the fuck?
Or it's coming up?
It came out.
He said his stomach was hurt and now he's spitting up blood. Oh, Jesus. Jesus. Come on, baby. Come up here.
I'm fine. I'm
You
fine,
okay?
girl.
You okay, baby? Okay, you got on some clothes. Come on. Get in here. Let me put on some clothes.
It's okay already. I'm okay.
You okay, baby?
Oh, baby, it's not really coming off.
It's not coming off? Artie,
I'm talking
get
about.
over here.
Oh, it's okay. It's coming off a little bit.
Oh, don't worry about the sink, baby. Don't worry about the sink. Okay?
Got you.
Got him! Got him!
Baby. Baby.
It's a prank.
Baby. Mama. It was a prank, Mama. Oh my God. Mama, it was a prank. It was a, Mama.
Got you.
I was,
Got you.
baby, I ripped out my shirt. And I'm trying to put on. I was like, I don't know what to do. I don't know whether I should have Artie with me. Go take her by my parents' house real fast. I didn't know if I should give you some Pepto-Bismol tea. I was like, what do I do? He's bleeding. This is internal. And as much blood is on the floor.
I got you.
As much blood is on the floor, I was like, he could be dying. It had to be an ulcer or something, so I gotta get him to the emergency room immediately.
Go ahead and say Team D.
Oh my God.
Team D. I got the shakes, man. I thought it was happening for real, the way nervous I was.
Ooh.
Well, I'm still shaking.
Baby.
Good Lord, look at that. Team D, go ahead and say it.
Team D all the way, baby.
Yeah. Yeah, get my little girl right here.
And she in the floor finna play with the blood.
We out.